Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you my latest Make.com scenario and how I came up with an API system. I'm extremely excited for you to know. This tool finds the best video from any channel in just 30 seconds, return the transcript, and generate a report containing title, hook, and guideline ID for the video. You might feel stuck trying to make video people will watch. At least I do. This is the exact reason I've made this system. You often hear copy what works, but I usually find it hard to come with any suggestion. Hence why making my own API system that returns outlier video from any channel has been actually a game changer. An outlier video is a video that performs exceptionally well compared to the subscriber count and the view count. If that sounds actually interesting to you, let's dive into Make.com scenario, show you how the API worked, and let's see from there. My name is Quentin and I'm an AI automation enthusiast. All right, we are now actually on Make.com and this is the scenario itself. I'm going to explain how the scenario worked. The main two options are actually those two scenarios over there, an HTTP request or this HTTP request or this one as well. This is actually the dark arts module within Make. You have access to this if you are in Jack community and level 6. For the time being, this module is actually also equal to this module over there. That's why I've actually added a route in case you haven't actually access to Jack community from there. So the way the API worked is we are passing obviously an API key. So this API key going to be deleted after the video got published, obviously. And interesting enough, I'm gonna go through and analyze, even if I'm on Make.com, I'm going to analyze an 8 YouTube channel over there. Something to keep in mind, we have 205, that's a good numbers over there to remember. So we have 205 video on the N8 YouTube channel, for instance. I'm going then through an HTTP module, which is actually the endpoint for the API itself. It's a post request, and then we passing the API key, and all we do is we passing the channel URL. From there, the API going to actually analyze the whole video, each of them, and compare and find out if it's actually the video is an outlier. So outlier video means does the video has more view than the subscriber count, and then return me a ratio basically. From there, I'm going to analyze and return a Johnson, and then I'm going through, again, as I said, I'm going through the first route in this case, which is actually the dark arts YouTube transcriber, which actually it's an API endpoint I've made as well that's allowing you to transcribe the whole system. So the Make application itself was actually done and performed by Noel, one of the admin members of Jack community as well. I'm putting this also here, just so you know, this is actually an HTTP Make request. Basically, under the hood, we are hitting this endpoint over there. Again, it's a post request, and all I'm doing is I'm passing the URL of a video in this case, right? So this can be returned or deleted by the video itself. For simplicity, I'm going to use the dark art option over here. So I'm passing the ranked video, the first one from the array, and I'm going to run the script and I'm going to show, I'm going to run the scenario and I'm going to show that to you. Out of there, I'm actually then returning this into a ChatGPT saying that you are an amazing YouTube scripter. Your role is to come up with a hook ID from an already performing video. And then I'm passing actually further instruction. So I'm going to train you, right? Highlight engaging hook for YouTube videos. I'm then having a ChatGPT for 4 minutes to run this. I'm then going through pdf.co to return HTML to PDF. And then I'm uploading the PDF into Google Drive. Once this is done, I'm going to go through the script instruction. And I'm going to tell, okay, I want you to go return me brainstorm video topic out of the transcript, generate titles, outline scene breakdown, build a narrative flow, create a character profile, provide a script feedback out of there. The script feedback is just like, I want to see how the video itself has performed, and then see what I can actually give me some idea basically on how can I potentially improve the video. Okay. And then I'm creating a Google document out of there. Google document is going to be actually script ID for from, and then I'm putting the name of the video. I'm going to run through this together, and you're going to see how that worked. All right, so we now have the API that are looking for the outlier video. We're going to actually then return this into a JSON. From there, you can see we have, remember, we have 205 video. We have actually over there, this is the whole video. I'm going to pick one random from the YouTube itself. This one has actually a ratio of 107. I'm not sure. That's actually a fairly, let's see. That's an hour video. That's actually more likely, more like it. I'd like to take this one. So number 8, I'm gonna do some modification here, and I'm gonna say I'm gonna return the video number 8. Right, I'm gonna run this. I'm gonna run this once again. So basically, what I'm passing through, I'm going to get the transcript out of there, and I'm passing the transcript to the ChatGPT in this case, right? So that's actually, here is the information. I'm gonna say I wanna go and run the video title number 8 in this case. I'm returning the reports here as well. So I'm not gonna do the first one. I wanna do number 8. So I'm gonna go through the whole array in this case, and I want to return actually number 8. Again, this is actually an hour-long video, so something to keep in mind. The API will actually handle this as well. I'm checking the API down the line, and let me know in the comment if you want me to explain a little more and do a presentation on the API itself, for instance. But basically, the transcript API is checking the text to avoid being actually out of context or out of token, I should say. I'm gonna go through here. That's okay. I'm gonna run this through now. I'm gonna run this one more time. So again, right now we are analyzing the whole NA8 channel. We're getting the transcript out of there. So as you see here, if I go to mapping transcript, now this is the whole transcript of the 1 hour video, right? And then I'm actually going through create the hook titles, the report assistance, and all this will actually be uploaded at one point over there. I'm gonna move this to archive so we know which one we are actually working with. All right, so I'm still moving here. Let me actually move this over there. So while this runs, we are now uploading this to pdf.co, which is actually allowing you to transform HTML to PDF, right? And this is actually how I create the report. And as soon as actually this is available, I'm gonna actually open the PDF for you to see and the report over there. So the report has been generated. Here I can see original video details, right? Out of date, that's actually the name of the video, right, over there. If I go to watch the original video, I can see from there the whole video itself. This is actually the video we wanted to analyze. And here is actually a hook generation. And I'm actually meeting the criteria. So explain the video promise to each node building, provoke curiosity by making it sound. So I have actually hook 1, 2, and 3. I have 3 different video titles. So master NA8 code creation, the ultimate guide to custom workflow. Elevate your automation with NA8, build, publish, and innovate, etc., etc. You got the idea. I have actually as well on the note, total video view, total subscription, and ratio of the best video. There's actually 107. Again, this is not a super nice example for the report, but I wanted to show you on a random video as well. If I go back over there, I have now a script ID, which has been actually generated from the script, the transcript as well. I can here have a brainstorm video topic. We are generating actually titles. We are outlining scene breakdown. We are actually build a narrative flow, the creative character, and so on and so on. I will actually put on the description a link if you want to get access to the API and if you want to get access to the blueprint. Please head over to the link down below. And I hope this video was actually informative. Again, on the comment, please let me know if you want me to go through like a deep dive on the API and how I make the API, for instance. I'd be happy to discuss this further. But until next time, Happy making, stay positive, and I wish you a very, very pleasant day. Thank you for watching.